Welcome. We're excited you're here to learn more about Herbalife Nutrition. Our purpose is bold, yet simple, to make the world healthier and happier. And our mission, which we have been on since 1980, is a mission for nutrition, helping to guide people to reach their nutrition, fitness, and business goals. The opportunity to help others is growing every day due to several global megatrends. These trends include the obesity epidemic, aging populations, surging healthcare costs, and the rise of entrepreneurship for people of all ages. As an Herbalife Nutrition independent distributor, you'll have access to products, education, and training that will enable you to provide your customers with a personalized nutrition and fitness experience. You'll have an opportunity to help people you care about and people in your local and your online communities. Herbalife Nutrition is the #1 brand in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined. Our range of high-quality nutrition products can help your customers achieve inspiring results with the right balance of healthy nutrition, activity, and support. Whether it's our great-tasting Formula One healthy meal nutritional shake mix, targeted nutrition boosters and beverage mixes, digestive health products, an elite sports nutrition line, we cater to a variety of nutrition needs. And we substantiate the effectiveness of our products scientifically with a team of over 300 scientists, including more than 40 PhDs, and we operate 5 specialized ISO-certified Herbalife innovation and manufacturing facilities. We also have long-term relationships with our suppliers and can trace our key ingredients back to the farms and fields where they're planted, cultivated, and harvested. But the big difference that makes Herbalife Nutrition special is our distributor. We call it the distributor difference. Today, more and more retail stores are closing, and we believe it's because they've forgotten that providing a high-touch customer experience is critical to customer loyalty. The one-on-one relationship with our distributor provides a personalized nutrition and activity plan, education and training, and support to help keep customers on track. This is why our distributor difference is our greatest competitive advantage. We believe if you treat your customers the way you want to be treated, provide them with education and support, and above all, help them achieve results, they can become customers for life. When you become an independent distributor, you'll also receive this support from other distributors to help you craft a business plan that works for you. As you'll hear from team members today, there are many ways to start and grow your very own Herbalife Nutrition business. And when you do, you'll be joining thousands of others who are seeking flexible work hours, more control of their lives, and the ability to earn extra income. You'll hear examples from those who have embraced the Herbalife business opportunity on a full-time basis, working to build a larger customer community and nurturing a team of distributors with their own strong customer bases. We encourage each of you to talk with several of the successful distributors in the room today. Whatever your goal, whether working part-time or full-time, you can learn valuable business and professional skills from your journey with Herbalife Nutrition. And we're here to support you every step of the way. You can access more information online to help you understand how distributor incomes vary from person to person. There are some common traits among those who join our team and become successful independent distributors. First and foremost, they work hard. They're motivated to learn and service their customers. And they continue their development through ongoing education, training, personal development, networking, and by applying the skills they learn over the course of their Herbalife Nutrition journey. We want you to be self-confident about taking this important first step, starting your very own Herbalife Nutrition business. There's no need for you to overspend or borrow to get started. It's important that you initially acquire only the amount of products that make sense for your own nutritional and startup business needs. This business opportunity is open to everyone, regardless of background, gender, education, or physical ability. Our purpose is to make the world healthier and happier, and we need people like you to make it happen. Thank you for taking the time to learn more.